I'm going to really make you the guest now, right? So I'm going to
Okay.
put you on the spot. This is the rapid fire section. I'm going to give you three last questions. First one is, what's the most important topic in the context of this conversation today that you don't think we've mentioned yet?
Hmm.
I told you I was going to put you on the spot.
Yeah, absolutely. What we haven't done, I think we lightly touched on it, but one of the things that this process, like going through those top five lists, it helps companies align internally because we agree on things that we didn't even ask ourselves to agree on. Things as important as what are the top of five objections where we lose deals. If you go into a company and you ask five salespeople, five marketers, and the executive team, you're going to get wildly different answers. Just by thinking what we want the targets of this kind of a program to be, it forces us to align. It forces us to say, those are the most important things. We agree. Using this program to create more internal alignment is one of the biggest benefits that is most undervalued or undersold.
Awesome. Okay. Second rapid fire. What are you the most proud of in the context of either your career or in what you've built at Content Strategies or anything else you want to say?
I would say raising my kids, but 2 months ago, one of my clients, and we were talking about the next year's budgets. She said one thing to me that, like, I just so proud of. She said, Steve, this program, this ABM podcasting program, is the most important thing I've ever done in my career.
Wow. Wow. I file that away in the attaboy file that I look at when I'm having a bad day. Last rapid fire question, Steve. 1 minute, biggest key takeaway for sales and marketing leaders from this podcast.
Put aside every preconceived notion that you have about podcasting right now. This isn't about reach and downloads and creating great blog posts. This is all about taking any relationship that is important to building your business and initiating that relationship or enhancing that relationship, whether it's a customer that is your biggest revenue expansion opportunity, bringing them onto the pipeline. The audience for this podcast is the guest. Everything
Right.
else is icing on the cake.